In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your location on your LinkedIn profile on mobile. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is the same and takes just a moment. We'll begin right from the LinkedIn app's main screen. Look to the upper left corner and tap your profile photo. That opens a panel with your account details. Next, tap your name to jump straight to your profile page, where all your public information lives. From here, find the small pencil icon to the right of your name. Give that a tap to open your profile editing screen. This is where you can update the basics that appear at the top of your profile. On the editing page, scroll until you reach the section labeled Location or Region. This is the field LinkedIn uses to show your city, state, or country across your profile, job recommendations, and recruiter searches. Tap into that field, delete your current location, and start typing the new one you want to display. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions appear. Choose the option that best matches where you actually live or work. For instance, if you'd like your region to show as the United States, type United States and select it. When you're done, tap Save. Your updated region is applied immediately, and anyone viewing your profile will see the change right away. A quick note on why this matters. Having an accurate location helps your profile appear in the right local searches, improves the relevance of job alerts, and gives hiring managers a clear sense of where you're based. If you're relocating or working remotely, pick the location that aligns with where you're actively seeking opportunities. If something looks off after saving, simply revisit the same edit screen and make an adjustment. You can refine your selection at any time. And remember, you don't need to re-edit anything else on your profile to make this work. Just update the location field and save. If you're traveling or between cities, don't stress. This setting isn't permanent, and you can update it as often as you need. After saving, give the app a second to refresh and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Tap your profile photo, tap your name, tap the pencil icon, scroll to location or region, type the new place, and hit save. Your profile will reflect the change instantly, keeping your presence up to date for connections and recruiters alike. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again if you want a refresher.